Shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot.
Welcome. Today I have another supplement that I use to boost testosterone, and that is royal jelly. Whoa. I missed. But royal jelly is something that I just began using recently, and I noticed you guys really enjoy the videos about boosting testosterone. So, before I talk about the other benefits of royal jelly, we'll go ahead and mention the first one. The most important one, the reason why you clicked on the video. That's right. It boosts testosterone levels, particularly, that's right, it boosts the production of testosterone in the testicles. So, I mean, that's where testosterone is produced, right? In the testicles. So take care of your testicles, guys. Not to get off topic, but heat can damage your testicles. So if you like to use the sauna, don't forget to keep your testicles nice and cold. Take an ice pack with you, or use an ice pack immediately after using the sauna, or go ahead and take an ice bath, whatever you like to do. But keep the testicles cold if you want them to stay healthy. All right, moving on. Royal jelly actually also has anti-aging properties. So royal jelly helps to increase the production of collagen, and it also reduces inflammation in the skin. Inflammation in the skin, right? That's what makes you look old. If you've seen people, they drink a lot of alcohol, they have a lot of inflammation all over their body, they look a lot older than regular people. And collagen will help you to reduce wrinkles and elasticity in the skin, which will help your skin to stay healthy and obviously make you look younger as you age. Another benefit of royal jelly is that it helps to reduce LDL, in other words, bad cholesterol. But that's not all that royal jelly does. It also helps to reduce blood sugar levels. So it acts sort of like an insulin. Obviously, it's not going to be as powerful as injecting yourself with insulin. It is a natural substance, but it will help you to reduce insulin resistance, which, if you're into lifting weights, you like to gain muscle, you would like to keep that low because your androgen activity will not be as high if you are insulin resistant, and you'll gain weight and get fat as well. Okay, so how else can royal jelly be used as a natural PED, right? Performance enhancing drug, in case you don't know what I'm talking about. Obviously it's natural, like I said. This is not medical advice, just because I mentioned the word drug. It can help to produce more red blood cells, which essentially gives you more athletic performance. This is something that Olympic people do to cheat blood doping. You know about that, Lance Armstrong. Another thing that royal jelly does, probably the last topic I'm going to go ahead and touch. Another benefit of royal jelly that's very interesting and that I enjoy very much is that it helps you to get sick less often. It has antibacterial properties. All right, so you will get less colds, less flus, antifungal as well. So if you got that stanky feet, it might help you out a little bit. I mean, it hasn't helped me out too much. My feet tend to stink pretty bad. I don't know if you got stinky balls, it might help that too, but not sure. But it does have antibacterial, so you will get sick less often with it, alongside with your other essential vitamins, right? Like vitamin D, go out and get the sun and all that shit. Do some research. Or you can go ahead and watch more videos, and I'll make more videos about whatever you want. But that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. Peace, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll make a video on that.